Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to change region in Netflix. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. In order to change our country or region, we will have to change our IP address. If I open my web browser, I'll quickly search for what is my IP address. And if I open this website, I can see my specific IP address and my current country, which is Pakistan. But let's say I want to be in England or America or other countries where we have much more movies and TV shows for Netflix. Now all you have to do is to install a VPN app. You can find a lot of free VPN applications in the App Store or the Google Play Store. Download any VPN app. Simply open it and add Connect to a different region. I'll click this and you'll see a VPN icon on your device, which means that we've connected to another IP address. If I go to my browser and refresh the website, you'll see that I've successfully changed my country, and it says that I'm in France. The next step is if you have your Netflix application opened, you want to close it from your app switcher and relaunch it. Our country or region will be changed in the Netflix app, and we will be able to watch different movies and TV shows now. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.